In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit a Framer template for your no-code website. It starts with logging into Framer, where the magic of customization begins. Head straight to the Templates page, where you'll spot an array of pre-designed templates to get you started faster. Now choose a template that best suits your need. You might see a button saying "Use for free" or a similar phrase if it's a paid template. Clicking on it will create a duplicate of the template on your dashboard. This copy is editable, paving the way for you to make the template truly yours. Ready to dive into editing? Well, let's begin with the content. If it's text that you want to alter, just double-click on it and then type in your own words. Play around with the tone and style of writing until it feels right. Next up are images. To change an image, double-click it first and head over to the right-hand property panel. Here, under the Styles section, you can upload your chosen image or even select one from a plugin like Unsplash. The choice is all yours. Moving on to design elements, you can select any item such as a button or a color block and view its properties on the right panel. Here, you can experiment with colors, backgrounds, and various other styles until you get the look and feel you desire. Let's now focus on structure and layout. Using the Layers panel on the left side, you can quickly navigate to different parts of your website. This is where you can add, remove, or rearrange sections to get the structure you want. One of the biggest benefits of Framer templates is their diverse device compatibility. They are already designed, keeping different devices in mind, but guess what? You can customize this aspect too. In the main editor, add breakpoints to tweak the layout for tablets and phones according to your preference. Now check your changes, and when you're satisfied, head to the site settings. It's here you can update things such as the site title, description, and the social preview image. Once everything is set, click on that Publish button. This will make your site live under a free Framer.app domain. But what if you want to use a custom domain? In that case, you'll need to upgrade your project from the project settings. Then you connect your domain from your domain provider. Trust me, the whole process is easier than it sounds. And just like that, you've successfully tailored a Framer template for your no-code website. Happy customizing!